Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you three festive makeup looks that's very appropriate for this upcoming festive season. So basically, I'll be sharing three different looks with three different budgets. So I'm going to be sharing one full face of makeup under rupees 300. The next look is going to be under rupees 500 and the next look is going to be under rupees 1000. So I hope you guys understood the concept. Okay, so basically I wanted to create like an affordable makeup look for this festive season. But you know what? The term affordability is very subjective to different people. For example, 1000 rupees can be very affordable for some, but for some it can be very pricey. So I decided let me share with you like three different budgets. And also this way you can have some options and you can take this video as a guide to create your own makeup kit. So first I'm going to start off with the budget of 1000 rupees, then we'll go to 500 and then 300. So yeah, if you like today's video and found it to be helpful, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And now let's get straight into the video. So starting off with makeup under rupees 1000, these are all the products I'm going to be using today. So first I'm going to take the K Beauty's primer. This is such a good hydrating primer. It also has a little bit of a tint. It also helps to cover up your pigmentation to some extent. Next I'm going to use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and I'm only using on the areas where I have larger pores. Again, another great product. And then for foundation, I'm going to mix these two foundations. One is the Forever 52 HD liquid foundation and the other one is PAC Spotlight HD liquid foundation. The only reason why I'm mixing them is because one is lighter and the other one is a little darker for me. But look at that, you guys. Both the foundations have really good coverage and also look so nice and dewy on my skin. And then for my concealer, I'm going to take this L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Another favorite product of mine. This is very similar to the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It blends very smoothly and also the texture is so beautiful. So next, to set my concealer in place, I'm taking the K Beauty's HD Loose Setting Powder in the shade Latte. Next for my bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Foundation Stick. This product is so creamy, it's easily blendable and the pigmentation is amazing. I absolutely love this so much. So next for my blush, I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Blush Bomb in the shade Glam Orange, another beautiful looking blush. And to set everything in place, I'm taking the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and then I'm going to go back with powder products now. Next, taking the Milani Sun Drenched Silky Matte Bronzer. This is again great product and it performs very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Bronzer. So next for my blush, I'm taking another one of my favorites. This is the Milani's Baked Blush in the shade RoseDoro. And for my highlighter, I'm using the K Beauty's highlighter just on the high points of my face. And moving on to my lashes, I'm first going to curl my lashes with a lash curler and then I'm going to apply some mascara. So here I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara to coat both my upper and lower lashes. Then for my lips, I'm first taking the Colourpop's Lippy Pencil, and again, you don't have to do this step. You can directly apply a liquid lipstick, but this just gives a nice precision. So next for that bright bold lipstick, I'm taking this Kiro Beauty's Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick, and oh my god, look at that, you guys. The shade is so pretty and vibrant. Okay, moving on to my eyes, I just felt like there was something missing, so I'm taking this palette from Mars Cosmetics, and first I'm using this shade in the crease and also in my lower lash line. And then on my eyelids, I'm going to take this peachy shimmer. And once again, I'm going to apply some mascara both on my lower and upper lashes, and that completes my first makeup look. So the main focus of this look is the base makeup, and with that bright bold lip, oh my god, it just looks so pretty. You can change the lipstick color if you wish to, but I think a red lipstick is a must-have for Durga Puja. So next for my makeup under rupees 500. So basically these are all the products I'll be using. First for my primer, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. So next I'm going to color correct my face using this PAC Take Cover Concealer. Again, another great product, and I like it because it's not too, like dark orange. It's the perfect shade for me. And moving on to my foundation, I'm going to be using this Miss Class Everyday Foundation. This is such a beautiful foundation. It has really good coverage. The finish is so nice and dewy, and also it blends so easily. I think it's only under 350, but it performs like a high-end product. Like, wow, look at my skin, you guys. So next for my concealer, I'm going to take the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer. And again, I'm just going to apply on the main points of my face. This is the usual areas I like to highlight my face and also use some concealer because it just like brightens my face a little more. And next for my powder, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty Loose Setting Powder. And FYI, I did not find that many good, loose setting powders under rupees 500. And this was the decent one I could find.
Okay, and next for my bronzer, I'm gonna take the Blue Heaven Strobe and Shape bronzer. Again, I love the bronzer side of it so much. I use it every single time. It's so precise, it applies very easily, and also it blends super well. So next, to set my cream bronzer, I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Super Bronzer. And moving on to my blush and highlighter, I'm gonna take this ELF palette, and this in the shade Spiced Apple. It's such a beautiful color of blush, and look at that highlighter, you guys. Oh my god, it's so intense. And I think it's only for like 350 or 400 rupees. I think it's, worth every penny. So next on my eyes, I'm again taking the ELF Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Pumpkin Pie. I'm first using that, the light transition, like that brown shade in my crease and also on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this cool brown shade to intensify my crease and my outer corners. And also, I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line to define my lower lash line a little bit. And then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and blend both of them together. And next, I'm going to take this golden shimmer from the palette and apply it on my eyelids, like my entire eyelids, and also on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this copper shade and apply this on my centers of my eyelids. So next, moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to take this Insights eyebrow pencil, a great product for what I think 115 or 120 rupees. So next, I'm going to set my eyebrow hairs in place using this Essence brow gel. Again, these are the two products I've used, for all three of my looks. So next, to add some smokiness to my eyes, I'm using the Sugar Stroke of Genius Kajal. And next, to add some wing liner, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty's Felt Tip Eyeliner pen. And lastly, for mascara, I'm using the Essence The False Lashes Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my upper and lower lashes really well. So moving on to my lips, I'm first going to use this K Beauty's lip liner in the shade Fame. Okay, and then I'm going to take the PAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Storm. It's a very pretty, like a cool tone brown shade. Next, to set my face, I'm taking the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. And lastly, to highlight my face, I'm taking this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder and only using it in the centers of my face. And that completes my look number 2. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It looks very monochromatic, but I was not happy with my lip shade, so I went ahead and applied this Nykaa's liquid lipstick in the shade Chai, and this is my favorite liquid lipstick to use, especially for Indian wear. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, it just like instantly brightened up my face. I think it's such a pretty shade. Yeah, and this is definitely my favorite look that I created out of all the three. So lastly, moving on to makeup under rupees 300. These are all the products I'll be using. So first, as a primer, I'm going to be taking this Mars Hydra Glow Primer. And again, as I said before, I have dry skin, so I need to use some hydrating primer, and this is the best one. And next, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty HD Concealer Pen, and I'm going to apply this on the areas where I have pigmentation. So next, for my foundation, I'm using the Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation, and first I'm going to dot it all around my face, and then with the help of my brush, I'm just going to blend everything out. Now this particular foundation has medium coverage. It's so good, and also is very, very long lasting on my skin. Even though it says it's a hyper matte foundation, it's not extremely matte on my skin, and yeah, it definitely looks very pretty on my skin too. So that's the reason why I really like this foundation very much. Next, moving on to concealer, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Liquid Concealer, another one of my favorite concealers. It's a full coverage concealer, and the formulation is so great. Again, you definitely have to try this one out. It's only for, I think, $1.99, which makes it super inexpensive. And again, this product can definitely compare to high-end concealers out there. And to set my makeup in place, I'm taking this Insights Flawless HD Setting Powder. This is not my favorite, but there were not too many setting powders under 300, so I had to use this. And next, to contour my face, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty's Instant Cover Pan Stick, and this in the shade Contour. And this is my favorite, like my favorite affordable cream bronzer ever, because the shade is just perfect match. It's neither too warm nor it's too cool tone. It's just the perfect neutral tone bronzer I was looking for, and definitely, guys, do check this one out. The only thing that I don't like about this is that it has like really faint chemically scent to it. Other than that, it is so good. Like, I don't know, I have used this cream bronzer so much. And then for my blush, I'm taking the Miskless blush, and it's a very pretty, like this orangey toned color. Moving on to my brows, I'm again using the same Insights eyebrow pencil. And then for my eyes, I'm taking this Mars eyeshadow palette, and first I'm going to take this like a nude orange brown shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids and also on my lower lash line. And next, I'm going to take this like a rusty brown shade, and I'm going to apply this on my outer V and also in my crease. And next I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm just going to line my lower and upper lash line to add some definition. And lastly, I'm just curling my lashes, and for my mascara I am using this Mars Fabulous mascara. I really like this mascara so much because it gives like a nice volume and length to my lashes. And moving on to my lips, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. You guys know how much I love this lip liner. Especially if you are like tan to dusky skin tones, I think this is a must have. So next I'm going to take this Inside Matte Liquid Lip Ink, and I'm first going to apply this shade all over my lips, and then in the centers I'm going to use this light shade and just tap only on the centers of my lips. Next, to set my makeup in place, I'm taking this Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer, another one of my favorites. And lastly, for some glow, I'm taking this Mars Wonder Highlighter, again another great product, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so shiny, but still it does not emphasize my texture. Absolutely love it. And that completes my last makeup look using products under rupees 300. And you know what, this makeup look is so versatile. It goes with any outfit, and you can also wear it like in the daytime, nighttime, anywhere you want. It's a very subtle makeup look, but yet like, you know, brings out all your features. I absolutely love this makeup look as well.
That completes today's 3 different budgets makeup video. Yeah, and I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Let me know which was your favorite look out of all the 3. Mine definitely has to be look number 2. I think it's very fall appropriate, and also that dark chocolate brown color. Oh my god, I just love that shade so much. Anyways guys, if you like today's video, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.